Collections are basically groups of products that you want to display together in your store. You could use them to feature things like bestsellers, you can organize items by category. It's up to you. To create one, I'll go to the left-hand side here and click on Collections. Then go to the top right and click on Add Collection. For this one, I'll name it Best Sellers. And for the collection type, I'll leave this as a manual. Next, I'll scroll down to Products, and I'll click on Browse. And here I'll select all of my example products. I'll go to the bottom right and click on Add. Then I'll scroll all the way down, go to the bottom right, and click on Save. And there you go. You've just created a collection. Now, if you remember earlier on in the video, we have that featured collection that's sitting on our homepage. Now let's go back and link that featured collection to this new bestsellers collection that we just created. To get back to your homepage, go to the left-hand side here and click on Online Store. Then click on Customize. Now I'll scroll down and this is my featured collection here. So I'll click into it to edit it. And under Collection on the left-hand side, it's currently set to display all of my products. To change this, I'll click into it, click on Replace, and then I'll click on my Best Sellers collection. And you'll see that change reflect here.